Good morning, everybody. Chapter 7, Class 10th, Subject Mathematics. Some important points or facts. These important points, very important. All objective type questions of this chapter in 10th class based on these facts. So, first fact is the distance of a point from the y axis is called its x coordinate or abscissa. This is x axis and this is y axis. This is any point P x y. So here the distance of a point from the y axis. Distance of a point from the y axis means this distance. So this distance is called abscissa or x coordinate. This point means this distance is x and this distance is y. So this is called abscissa or x coordinate. Next, the distance of a point from the x axis is called its y coordinate or ordinate, means distance from x axis. So this distance is coordinate of y or ordinate, also called ordinate. Next point, the coordinates of point on the x-axis are the form x0, means all points on the x-axis form is x0, means all y coordinate on the x-axis is 0, means always 0. Same on y-axis is 0 x, means all x coordinate on y-axis always 0. Next, the distance between the points x1 y1 x2 y2 represent as x2 minus x1 whole square y2 minus y1 whole square, or we can also write pq is equal to x1 root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Next, the distance of a point P xy from the origin, the coordinate of origin is 0 0, is OP, as distance represent root x square plus y square. Section formula x1 x2 plus m1 m2 m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Here m1 and m2 are ratio of points. This point divide into any line segment divide into m1 m2 ratio. Next, the coordinates of midpoint is x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. The points lie on the y-axis. The abscissa is 0, means the point lie on the y-axis. The point lie on y-axis. The abscissa means x coordinate is 0, and same the point lie on the x-axis. The ordinate is 0, means point lie on x-axis. The ordinate means y coordinate is 0. Next point, the coordinates of x-axis is x0, coordinate of x-axis is x0, the coordinates of y-axis is 0y, equation of x-axis is y equal 0, means y coordinate always 0, so this equation represent as x-axis, and equation of y is equal to equation of y-axis is x equal 0, means this equation represent of y-axis. The area of triangle is 1 upon 2 into base into height. Base is always called altitude. And area of right angle triangle also formula this. Let the vertex of triangle are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Then the area of triangle is represented as 1 upon 2 bracket x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Next point, if the given points are collinear, the area of triangle formed by them must be 0. Means I have any 3 points is collinear, mean lie on the line. So this is not formed a triangle. So triangle area of triangle is 0. Next point, the points which is common to all the 3 medians in is called the centroid, and its point divide each median in the ratio 2:1. This is triangle ABC. The median of median of A to D on BC, C2 on AB, HE and B2 on AC, HE. These median intersect a point G. This G is called centroid. Number of 3 median in a triangle. These median intersect on one point at one point. Today homework is all exercise 7.1, 7.2, 7.3 and with example solve. All facts are learn and book also read, and some facts write on copy, and these facts also write your copy. Thank you.